Hi guys. In this video, I am going to show you how to use pivot tables in Excel. It's very simple and quite easy. So let's get started. So first we create a pivot table. First of all, click on your data table. Next on the top, go to Insert. And here you find the option Pivot Table. Just click on it, and your whole table is selected automatically. Now in this pop-up, if you select the first option, then your pivot table is created on a new worksheet. Or if you want to create pivot table on existing worksheet, then select this option. Then select the area on your existing worksheet like me, where you want to create pivot table. So I want to create on new worksheet. I am selecting the first option and then click on OK. And that's it. Our pivot table is created successfully. Now here on the right side, you see the pivot table's fields. Now here, drag these fields in this area below to use that fields in pivot table. Like I drag the item field in the filters area because I want to use it as a filter like, I just select the item to get the records which employees sell that item in how many quantity, and also show to sum of amount. You can also check these boxes to add that fields in your pivot table. I just add 3. Now here, when I select keyboard and when press OK, as you can see, I get the record of that employee who sell only keyboard. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We're eager to hear from you.